Now, welcome to another class. Let's solve this example. If the dimension of pressure is m raised to power s, l raised to power y, t raised to power c, find the value of s, y, and z. Now, according to the question now, this is another way of asking the question. What the question is trying to say is that, one, we need to find the dimension of pressure. Two, after getting the dimension of pressure, what is the power to which the fundamental quantity present in it were raised? Then that one will give us a final answer. Now let's look at it together now. Solution. Pressure. Don't forget, the first step is to write the formula of pressure, which is force over area. Now, both force and area are both derived. Then it will now be MA over length times breadth. Then we have only acceleration as derived. That will be mv over lbt. Velocity is still derived. That will be md over lbtt. Now, to relate this one to fundamental quantities now, as we've already know, D, L, and B, they will take the same fundamental quantity. So without wasting our time, let's say the top D will go away. Then we are going to have M either L T square. Since both D and B will take the same fundamental quantity, which is length. So let's now, what we have here now, they are all fundamental. Then what are the fundamental that this one can be related to? That would be mass for capital M. Length is there also for capital L. T is there. That is time. Time for capital T. Let's now write the dimension of pressure. Then dimension of pressure will now be equal to capital M. Don't forget the rules. Now, if you want to write dimension of any derived quantity, it must be written in capital letter. You can now see from this place, I didn't write anyone in capital letter, but when we say to write in dimension, we must change our letter. So that will be capital M over capital N multiplied by T squared. Now from this one now, our final answer for dimension will be equal to M L raised to power minus 1. Don't forget it will be 1 over L. And from law of indices, 1 over L will be L raised to power minus 1. This is also T raised to power minus 2. That's the dimension of pressure. Now, since we've got the dimension of pressure now, let's now compare it with the one given in the question, that is M from the question now. From M raised to power S, L raised to power Y, T raised to power Z. Now, you can now say that, compare with this one, it means M, the power of this one will be 1. The power of this one is already minus 1, while the power of this one will be minus 2. Now, to write it now, it means our X will be equal to 1, Y will be equal to minus 1, and Z will be equal to -2. That is the value of x, y, and z in this particular question. And from here now, we can still add if we want to write the basic unit. So from this one, the basic unit of pressure, unit of pressure will be equal to kilogram for mass, per meter for length, and per second square for time. Final answer. And that, thank you very much. As I said, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question again, you are free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.